The Joining Trend initiative focus on the crucial last step, application together with trained applicators, inspectors, supervisors on surface preparation, product selection, and the correct use of Jotun marine and protective coatings. Because the specification meets the skill, we all win. The yard delivers on time, the owners save fuel and maintenance, the environment benefits from lower VOCs, and longer asset life. Our goal is simple. Build local capacity so Namibia doesn't import coatings, but we export quality service. The trainees here today, you are the link between the technology and performance. What you learn today will protect vessels worth millions and keep our people safe. To Jotun and Namdok, thank you for trusting Supermarine Paints as your local partner. This is how we grow the industry, not by competing alone, but by raising standards together. I thank you for your time during this week, and this will definitely not be the last. We will continue training people in Namibia to assist them in this environment. I thank you.